Autism, also known as autism spectrum disorder. It is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder that affects communication, social interaction, and behavior. It is called a spectrum disorder because it can manifest in a wide range of ways and varies in severity from person to person. Characteristics of autism spectrum disorder. Social challenges. Difficulty understanding social cues, making eye contact, and forming and maintaining a relationship with others. For example, when someone smiles at a child, he may not recognize that it means they are happy or friendly. He may also have difficulty interpreting facial expressions, such as not knowing when someone is sad or angry, avoids making direct eye contact with others. Instead, he may prefer to look at objects or focus on something else while interacting with people. Making friends can be more complicated because he might not always understand the social rules or cues that guide interactions with others. Communication difficulties. Delayed language development or difficulties in expressing needs and feelings, verbally or non-verbally. While other children of same age may be speaking in full sentences, autistic child may have difficulty using words to express effectively. For instance, when the kid wants a toy, instead of saying, "Can I have the toy please?" like other children, autistic kid may use limited words or gestures to indicate the desire for the toy. Kid might point to the toy or make sounds to get the attention of a caregiver or a friend. They may have trouble understanding questions or following complex instructions, like if someone asks, "What did you do at school today?" The kid might find it hard to recall and articulate the specific details of her day. Repetitive behaviors. Engaging in repetitive movements or actions such as hand flapping, rocking, or repeating words or phrases. When the child gets excited or overwhelmed, they start rapidly flapping their hands up and down, sometimes accompanied by jumping or bouncing on their toes. Hand flapping helps the child regulate their emotions and cope with sensory overload. When the child is sitting or standing, he rocks back and forth gently. The rocking provides him with a calming sensation and helps him cope with stress or anxiety. He may say the same word over and over again, like car, 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 or repeat phrases from a favorite movie or book, and this is known as echolalia. Restricted interest. Focusing intensely on specific topics or activities and showing little interest in other things. Consider a child has a fascination with cars. With his friends or family, he often steers conversation towards cars. He might show little interest in other topics or activities that his peers enjoy. During the playtime at school, while the other kids engage in various games, he prefers to play with his toy cars, even if it means playing alone. Sensory sensitivities. Being overly sensitive or undersensitive to sensory stimuli such as lights, sounds, textures, or smell. Loud noises such as the sound of a vacuum cleaner or a fire alarm can be extremely overwhelming for him. In these situations, he might cover his ears, become agitated, or try to leave the room to avoid the distressing noise. dislikes the feeling of certain fabrics against his skin, and prefers to wear soft, tagless clothing. Sometimes a particular odor, like strong perfume, cleaning product, the petrol or the diesel smell, can be overpowering for him. He might have a high tolerance for pain and not notice injuries or physical discomfort as quickly as others. This undersensitivity, it can sometimes lead to unintentional self-injury or unawareness of injuries that require attention. The exact cause of autism is not fully understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic and environmental factors. There is no cure for autism, but early intervention and specialized therapies, it can help individuals with autism develop communication and social skills, manage challenging behaviors, and lead fulfilling lives. It is essential to remember that individuals with autism have unique strengths and abilities, and with support and understanding, they can make valuable contributions. Creating an inclusive and accepting environment is crucial in supporting individuals with autism and helping them reach their full potential. As we come to the end of this video, I hope it has provided you with valuable insight into autism symptoms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from understanding this. Thank you and keep smiling.